Guys, I got an email. Dear Eva, I love your new website. It's so much fun to maneuver. Thanks. I also love the message that you share on your channel about social workers being rich. You and others have inspired me to start a business of my own. What website platform do you think is best, and can you recommend a good graphic designer? Thanks for your help, Kay. Okay, we need to talk because a website and a graphic designer, and like things like a logo or a business card, those are not the things that you need to be focusing on right now. If you are just starting a business, those are some of the last things that you need to be focused on. However, there are other things that you need to be doing right now. And so in this video, we're going to be talking about what 4 of those things are. Hit that like button. We're going to get into it. Hi, and welcome back to Rich Social Worker. I'm Eva Ford, social worker, mindset mentor, and coach. And on this channel, we talk all about money, mindset, and motivation to help you live your richest life. If it's your first time here, welcome, consider subscribing, and turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video, which is every week. Now, if you are just now starting out in business, please, I implore you, put the website idea aside. Yes, I just launched a new website. Please go check it out. However, that is only after months and months of building up my content and my brand and the know, like, and trust factor. And we're going to talk about that in another video as well. But there are some things that you need to be doing right now. And the first thing that you need to be doing is knowing and getting really clear on your why. If you haven't yet read the book, Start With Why, it's by Simon Sinek. How great leaders inspire everyone to take action. I really recommend that you read that book. And if you are thinking of being an entrepreneur or selling anything, you need to think of yourself as a leader, and you are going to want your potential customers to follow you. So you've got to inspire them. But you can't do that unless you're very clear on your why. Why do you want to start this business? Why is it important? And why should people care about what you care about? Now, once you are 100% clear on your why, and you know what, 100% might be a big statistic because when you are an entrepreneur, you're always evolving. But once you're clear enough, then the next thing you need to do is know your who. And that is your audience. Who are you talking to? Who are you selling to? Who are the people that you want to inspire to action? Who are the people that you want to buy from you? Now, it's not enough to say that your audience is everyone, or that your audience is all women, or that your audience is all teenagers. When you're considering your who, you've got to be ultra specific. Think about me with this channel and Rich Social Worker. Do you notice that I rarely talk about social work? I talk about business on this channel, but I speak social work so social workers can hear me. But there's so many people that are also subscribed to this channel that are not social workers. And they found me because of the content that's relevant across all genres of people who want to start business. But I wouldn't have been able to attract those people had I not been specific first and spoken to social workers. So follow that rule, follow that example, and get really clear on your audience as well. The next thing you want to do is you want to find out what. What does your audience care about? What do they want? What is their pain point? What keeps them up at night? What are their challenges? And what can you do to solve their problem? You want to get really good at asking your audience questions to find out their what, to find out what's going on for them, to find out what their challenges are, to find out what their thoughts are. And once you find out their what, then you can create the how, and that's thing number 4. And the how includes the process. How are you going to deliver to them the solution to solve their problem? How many times are they going to get this thing from you? How much is it going to cost? How often? These are the questions that you're going to answer in the process of how. So, did you catch that? First, you need to know your why. Then you need to know your audience, which is your who. Then you need to know what is their challenge, what are they struggling with, and then you get to develop the how. What's the process of how you deliver to them? Now, if you haven't yet watched my video on how to where to start, if you're just now thinking about starting a business, go watch that now. I believe you can dream, be, do, or have anything you want, but it starts with your mindset, so make sure it's a rich one. Thanks so much for being here. I'll see you in the next video.